I am very much hopeful and thankful to His Highness Maharaj. Tini, the newly elected Honorable Chairman, the newly elected in Honorable CM. I think under the leadership of Honorable Chairman and Honorable CM, we are very hopeful in the days to come. Like kaham positive samung claimane sing. Tai je sector of sung thanai 5 years to the samung claimane. I think little more improvement now. Abono sung tabuk investigate khai find out khai jotono naitugui chetrui naimani pore report ni mote je jagao sungta kisa better improvement rena nango. I think in the coming days in this tenure sung abono fulfill khai manai from the education sector of sungtebo develop khainai tai sini road construction rokni a jagao tai bishas koire tui para bishing rogo jagao tui rokni ব্যবস্থা blai hamya so over okno tui no sumbus kani sala walk khainen bali thani to and habubak rajes hamane abo kok thik no nai di Nepal high country o 35 years so koroksa yuba prime minister manu why can in Tripura nai di Jeffro Sachin pilot song only 25 years when he become the cabinet minister of India. Even Sushma Swaraj was only 25 years when she became cabinet minister of the India. And deputy chief minister Nini Bihar Haizagawa Tejusi Yadav song 26 years song Tongmanu. I think there is nothing to ask questions to the newly elected honorable chairman or CM. The thing is that bus kangni salo bahike sing samung klainai joto lukurok je hamari rui homani singno support rui homani hamjakung rui homani जों आबोनिति कमिटमेन्ट जों दैनो सामुं खायदङ लुकुरकनि प्रति जे नांगौमानि जों खालायनो